What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So if you have already posted the story and you want to change the story from close friends to everyone, like it's not possible. Like, that's the only thing I can tell you. If you have already posted the story, but if you are trying to post the story and you want to change the story from close friends to everyone, you can do that. Just like add the story. For example, I'm going to add this story, for example. Now, instead of clicking close friends, you want to click on your story. At the very bottom left, click on your story, and that will be posted to your story without to everyone. But when you click on close friends, you will only close friends are going to be able to see the story. But if you want to remove these close friends, you don't want to see closed friends anymore, just click three little lines in the top right, and then you want to click on closed friends, and you can just clear all, click on clear all, and now you have clicked done at the very bottom, and now you have deleted closed friends, and now you will post your story like you normally do. Just click on this arrow at the very bottom right, click this arrow, or click on your story here, and then you will be able to to send click on your story or at this arrow at the very bottom, and you will be able for this the story will be viewed by everyone. Now see you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments